All right, so real quick on some earnings. We had Eli Lilly yesterday with news that its drug was associated with lower blood pressure. Awesome. This has been a trend trade since June of 2020. So it's obviously, it was a double at 600 and now it's pushing 745 this morning. Another one that was recently recommended and actually last year, second half, from the June stocking value rotation with Toyota and the Japan Buffett bet. Really liked Toyota. And then most recently added it as a trend. So it was swing for several months and then added it as a trend. It has done a great job staying above the 10 and 21. I also did a write-up with the help of Tiffany.
This short clip is presented by Club. Club provides access to Samantha LaDuc and her team of professional macro and micro traders, analysts, and educators. Club is ideal for active traders, investors, and institutions who want Samantha's best-of-breed market timing calls across all asset classes and timeframes like chase, swing, and trend. Get the trade before it happens. Sign up to Club now and get full access to daily live trading room with Samantha LaDuc, Slack trading desk with detailed analysis and trades, custom trade support when you need it, and much more. For more information, visit www.LaDucTrading.com/club.
Toyota trend continuation play. So this is when I had originally posted it in swing and then moved it to a trend on November 16th. Long story short, some really good numbers have come out of that play on a fundamental standpoint, if you're also interested, not just from a technical standpoint. And then Tiffany dove in and did some research and write-up on the hybrid versus the EV debate. Definitely folks are more fan of the hybrid, which is where Toyota has absolute focused its attention, its R&D and sales. So anyway, if you have some interest in more of the due diligence on Toyota, there is a post under trend. You will have digestion up here. There we go. 213.74. It's not in blue sky until it can get and stay above 213.74. Expect digestion. That's really all there is to say about that. It's called profit taking. Believe it or not, folks are getting a little case of vertigo this morning. So keep that in mind. This 729 is an area of clearly profit taking, and we have a very obvious gap fill down to this 712 area. Pretty straightforward. And then below the 712, if it really starts to get up speed, we have another gap fill down here at 672. Profit taking is normal. You're just doing it right if you are able to hold on and then realize that it's a dance. And there is a very high likelihood that it comes back down and retests the 630 in time, which is, yes, I know, about 100 points pullback. But the point is, that's normal. There is a very strong move in Toyota this morning. Congratulations. We know that and that's, by the way, already just triggering blue skies. We know about profit taking in Eli Lilly at that 729. I don't have a March price target on Eli Lilly. Let's take a look. It's really a case of if we start selling in the big semi-liters, I hate to say it, but remember the first week of January? Craig was all over this. He nailed it so well. Like he bought puts on Wednesday before the new year. The stuff that was leading sold off. So the Mag 7 and Eli Lilly and NVO. We're getting that whole resumption. You can feel it in your belly. They're extended. They're wicked extended. There is going to be profit taking, even if they've done nothing wrong. So all I can say is be careful. It has the look of coming back down to 672. Very strong potential of this going green to red today. Green to red today on Eli Lilly. That's profit taking. And remember, I'm trend long. So this is a very solid thesis, but it has a normal behavior where it gets too extended and then it pulls back. See that 10-week and the Keltner, brilliant support, breaks out, pulls back. You know, now it's in digestion mode, scoops down a little bit, and then finally breaks and has the energy. This was obviously a follow through into good news on blood pressure and now earnings. And now they're kind of like looking down and saying, we're getting a little extended here. This is the mean. Back down here to 640. Anyway, it looks very normal, just like Caterpillar was yesterday. I think Eli Lilly is one of those that has a long path ahead, but right now, that 3-day is, hold on, $6.99. $6.99. And what's the gap fill? $4.72. Same as this. They're not always the same, but in this case it is.
Subscribe to LaDuc Trading YouTube channel for more live trading room recap videos and other content.